Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a brand new 2024 Ranger Raptor and we're removing the front grille. First thing we're going to do is remove the push pins from the top cover. So get a flathead screwdriver, get it in the groove, lift off the top. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now that we got all the clips removed, we'll go ahead and take the top cover off. See what else is holding it. There it goes. Alright, next thing we want to do is loosen these two 8mm bolts. Actually, I'll take it back. We're not loosening them, we're removing them. The next thing we have to remove is this lower trim piece because it is hiding a few bolts there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a prying tool and just work my way corner until it pops out. There we go. I'm going to grab it and I'm just going to unclip the rest of it. It goes all together. Bam! Next thing we're going to do is remove these two 8mm bolts that are holding the grille from the bottom. So on the bottom there are two 8mm bolts on the side and there's also one in the middle, so I'm going to remove that one as well. So before I remove the grille, I like to put some tape on the bumper so that way it doesn't get scratched accidentally. This step is optional, but I highly recommend it. So now, since everything's loose, we can pry these clips off and remove the grille. So we're going to get ourselves in the corner and kind of pull on it a little bit. See, and I release these clips. And we're going to do the same thing on the passenger side. There it is. So now I see that this wire with this harness is going to go with the grille. I want to go ahead and loosen these clips so that way I can pull it off all as one unit. So there it is, one. You just kind of pry it and pull it up, pry it and pull it up. Okay, so let me summarize everything. There's two 8mm bolts on top that were removed. There's three 8mm bolts on the bottom that were removed. We disconnected the clips as well as the harnesses for the camera. And we also disconnected the clips and the harnesses for the windshield washer tube. And now we're ready to remove it. So here it is. It all comes off as a unit. And this is how you remove a front grille from a 2024 Raptor Ranger.